Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this is Miss, let me see, Darshana. She is Darshana Menon, and she is entry number 57. Let me write this down. Darshana. Let me know if I'm saying your name correctly. But we have her entry here, so let's get into it. I'm just going to cut the edge off. Let's see what Miss Darshana did. It's gorgeous. Let me get that out. And look at that. Wow, that is cool. So let's get into it. Oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous color. Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put that at the bottom. I don't want to see it yet. So let's see. This is her card. Let me just get into, oh, look at that. So it just says, hope your birthday is a poppin' good time. I love this. Gumball machine. Oh, yes. Let's see. Oh, she made a slimline card. Is that what I'm supposed to call it, right? Slimline. It says happy HB2U. Okay, so this one says, hi, hope you had a great birthday. Wishing you a great year ahead. It's my first attempt at a Memorydex card, so it's not that good. Hope you like it. Hugs, Darshana. And her birthday is January 13th. Nice. MySpace at my pace. Alrighty, girly. Thank you so much. That is a gorgeous card, guys. So let's go in here. Oh, it sounds interesting, love. What did you do? You did not have to do this. This very cute bag, by the way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She made an embellishment box, guys. Look at these gorgeous colors. Dream big. Girly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this box. You are simply wonderful. You are simply wonderful. You are. Because, oh my gosh, look at all these goodies in here. She made sticker. Oh, what are these called? Oh, come on now. What are these called, guys? Let me know. So she made her own little sticker back. They're not pins, but they're, you know what I'm trying to say. These are so cute. This one says XO. This one says Epic Day. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. And then she's got some yellow buttons in here. I hope your favorite color is yellow, my dear. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Darshana. She's got little teeny tiny embellishments right here. Then it says Happy Day, Imagine. Oh, they're like little folders. And thank you. Another happy day. And hoops and hugs. So cute. This was a runaway pearl. But this is so cute. I love it. What a cute idea. Some really cute embellishments. And then she made some dresses and some pinwheels. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. What a great idea for your scraps. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. I think these are supposed to be there, but yeah. Whoa, this is a lot. Oh my gosh, girly. This is so much. Oh, you did not have to do all of this, hon. Look at these teeny tiny bows. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. We got a little runaway sticker right here. Where did you come from? Oh, where did you come from? I'm going to just stick you on one of these little plastics. So we got some sticky back gems here. And she's got some some brads. Oh my gosh, I love these. And she's got more bows. These bows are adorable. Let me, oh, everything is flying everywhere. But they're gorgeous colors. Look at all these colors. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, love. So many. You gave me so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These bows are going to go perfect for any collection, really, because they're perfect colors. Oh my gosh. And then she's got more brads and flat back jemmies. Oh my goodness. Lordy, lordy, lordy. You got me some little rosettes. Look at these teeny rosettes. I love mini rosettes. Look at these babies. I'm just picking them up together. Look at how cute. Well, their centers are like flat back gems though. And there's like silver. You see the dimension there? So much texture. Oh my gosh, I love this. She's got more brads. She gave me more brads. And then she's got pearls here. Oh my goodness. Girlie gave me so much. And there's buttons in here. Oh, my buttons over here. Because that's just my, OCD right there. Oh my goodness. All these pinwheels. This is beautiful. Look at all of that. Teeny tiny. Perfect for cards and embellishments. And to use up your scraps. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have to get back to my Basher stash because I have a bunch of scraps that I need to make use of. Look at this. Oh, that's where the Jemmy came from. Okay, it's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it later. And there's more brads. Oh my gosh, guys, can you even see what I'm doing? Ridiculousness, Eileen. So beautiful. She got some paper flowers with jemmies on there. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much, love. And she's got a clothespin here. This pretty blue and more brads. Wow, girl, you gave me so much. And then she gave me some washi samples. Look at these flowers. Gorgeous. And then there's a plaid one here. Gosh, girly. And then these gorgeous beads that she shared with me. Look at the colors on that. So pretty. I love it. Thank you so much. My goodness. That's a lot. And then you also gave me bows and rosettes. Oh my gosh. Girlie, you want me to open this? Are you serious? I can't open this package right now. Are you serious? No. I'm not going to open it because I'm terrible. There's a rosette. She gave me some rosettes here. Some pretty, pretty edge rosettes. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys can see that, right? You can see through the holographics reflecting off of everything. She shared some bows. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I think she used her envelope punch board to make these because I've made some of these. Very easy, very cute. And then there's more rosettes back here. Oh my gosh, love, you did too much. You really have spoiled me. Okay, I'll open this one because this one's easier. It doesn't have a bag topper. Oh, this is the Memory Decks. Okay, yes, so we're good, we're good. This is the Memory Decks card, guys. Look at what she did. This is her first time making it. Love it already. So she's got tags on here. She's got the balloons going and the cupcake with the candle, and it says smile. She even got ribbon on this one, and she's got a rosette here. Gorgeous double layer rosette. Oh my gosh, there's her little itty bitty bow, and she put some circle punches here. Oh, so pretty. And then it says, it's party time. And then she's got some of that flat back pearls that she shared with me. Oh my gosh. Girlie, you did fabulous. Although, you forgot to put your info on here. But it's okay. I'll put that in on myself. I'll do that myself. And thank you so much, love. This was so much. You gave me so many. I really appreciate you, and thank you for participating. Oh my goodness. You did great. You did great. So guys, I'll leave her info in the description box. Please go check her out and show her some crafty love like we all need it, and join her family. I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.